down a little bit.
We're heading to our sheepshead and drum spot up here at a local marina, and we got some sand fleas, got some lures. We're gonna be trying to get on some sheepshead and drum. There's a good fish. Nice, finally. This thing's strong. Big sheep, I bet. Holy crap. Yeah. Nice sheep. These things are pigs in here. Look at that freaking slab. Holy crap. Oof. That's funny. Is that scary? Oh my god. No. That's kind of cool. Mangrove snapper. You want a mangrove for lunch? I could just snuck too with the swim bait. Snooter. Whew. First snuck in a long time. Made my way back to the original spot, and Rob says it's doing well, so let's see if there's some fish around. I'm working a stack of something right now. Double up. You put the camera away, that's why they started eating again.
Why are these little smart now?
You. Rob, they're chewing again. slab. So we've noticed in the last couple days that there's like a little bite window almost for these sheepshead. It's kind of near the start of the incoming, I guess, and when it's on here. I mean, it's like, then a lot of times where it just hits the bottom and there's a fish on there. That's fun fishing for you. Yeah, look, I'm getting a bite already. See that? Oh, full took. So I'm switched over to the old Savage Gear crab. I mean, they're hitting the sand fleas, but catching them on artificials super fun too. So let's see if I can get a fish or two with the crab before I call it a day. Is it a nice one?
I think it's a good one.
On the Savage Gear crab. Woo, nice one. So my mom asked me for some fish for lunch, so I think I'm gonna keep this one before I head out, just so I have something to bring her.
Drop you down a little bit.
Oh my gosh. It's a nice one. Yeah. Woo! Big sheep here. Sweet. Dang, I just got railed. This dude just floated up, didn't even fight. We're doubled up over here. I think his might be a little bigger than mine is. Dang, it's instant again. Oh, dang. Didn't even get the flea. It's a good one? Oh yeah, I saw that boil. Double up. Actually, I'm fighting a different fish from that first, when you still had the same fish on. Yo, 1K. Holy crap. Are you sure it's a sheep? You saw it already? Woo, this one's screaming. The tide. It must be a tide thing here. I hope I'm videoing. The same jig head has put like 30 fish in the boat. Alright, dude. No, you gotta get out of here. Final one. Oh. Rob, you gotta see the belly on this one. Just got off the water. I kept a few sheepshead. I'm gonna fillet them at this fillet table real quick, but I'm gonna end the video now, and I appreciate you watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.